Okay, hi guys. I just brought out a new page for the funnel that I created yesterday, or it might have been the day before. But so if you remember yesterday or whenever it was, I created this new funnel. If you didn't see it, it's the most recent video, my previous video. I created this lead magnet that promotes LiveGood, um, and this was the lead capture page. It's the it's a downloadable, health tracker. It's a fitness kind of planner tool that you get the full funnel itself, so you get the whole thing, and you get a full funnel to go with it, and you get to brand it yourself, customize it. And unless this is the lead capture page, you put your email address in there, okay, and then you click and you get onto the next page, which is allowing you to download the health tracker. So that was yesterday's, or the day before yesterday, whenever it was. So this is all branded to you. Gets your LiveGood link, because obviously LiveGood is all about health and wellness. So it's a nice little lead magnet that goes with that. But I've recently updated this. I've added in a new little feature here. So this is a separate page, and you can get the share code to this particular page down below here. Okay, so what this is that it's actually 5 recipes. Okay, so it's just a bridge page. You don't get the capture page with this. It's just a bridge page. You can either combine it with the previous funnel, or just send it out. It's up to you. But basically, yeah, this is a download page, and you get the 5 recipe hacks. So when you download this, it all rebrands to you. So you get the recipes. You get 5 nice recipes that each feature the LiveGood products, little hacks. Okay, really nice, delicious. But each recipe, whichever product it features. For example, the chocolate protein powder. You click here and it goes straight to the protein powder page. So that's what this page is giving out. And our favorite little mascot here, she's now wearing a cool chef's uniform. So on the previous one, she's kind of in her fitness, fitness kind of like, and then she's now wearing the chef's uniform. So pretty cool. And then obviously it promotes LiveGood. So they click here, they go to LiveGood. And then they put the LiveGood username, and they can brand the PDF, but then down here they get the page. Okay, you got the page share code here. So just note, because I get messaged by people saying that the share code doesn't work. Well, actually, it works fine. All right, I know how. And trust me, guys, I'm an expert with Lead. All right, it works fine. Okay. So, the reason why it wasn't working for you is because, you've got to understand that where it says page here on the prefix, that means that this is a page share code. So then you have to go to the page manager. Okay. All right. So you go to the page manager and you import it in the page manager. Okay. However, what I did yesterday was I brought out a funnel. Okay. And it says here, funnel share code. So you go to it says the prefix here, it says funnel. So this is a funnel share code. Okay, the prefix will tell you what it is. Okay, so that's why it wasn't working, because people were going to the page manager trying to install the funnel code into the page manager, and it wasn't working. So you need to go to the funnel page. I've actually created a download document. Yeah, I've created a tutorial that shows you exactly how to set this up. It might be a little bit different to what you're seeing, but I'm not going to be creating, I'm not going to be, every time I create a funnel or a share code, I'm not going to be creating an exclusive tutorial every time I create a share code. That just wouldn't make sense. I haven't got time to do that. All right, I've created hundreds of share codes, literally no exaggeration. I've created hundreds of share codes. There's no way I'm going to create hundreds of tutorials every time I create a share code that basically teaches you the same thing. And once you just learn the Lead platform, you're not going to need those tutorials anymore. I know that we're always going to get new people, but guys, the Lead platform itself always has the tutorial page on it. So it actually teaches you exclusive tutorials specific to the page that you're on. Okay, and it's all searchable. So you've got pretty good pretty good tutorial already built into the system. But I'm always I'm always bringing out those tutorials, guys. So make use of them. So that's what that is. So I've just that's the purpose of this video, is just to let you know that I've created this page. It's just a one page here, all right, and it's for the 5 recipe hacks that you can rebrand, and then you can just get the one page share code for this page, and then install that. All right, just for these recipes. Okay. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.